This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
One of my favorite social media platform is LinkedIn. Started by Reed Garrett Hoffman, is a founder of LinkedIn, has worked in Apple Fujitsu and helped in selling PayPal to eBay in 2002. LinkedIn went live in 2003, and you may or may not know that it uses an algorithm to tailor content to users' needs based on who they are connected to and what information is relevant to them at that point in time. Initially, it started with the concept of creating a professional social network. And then Hoffman actually invited some 350 of his contacts to join the network. And within the same month, the end of the month, they have 4,500 members. Boom. So it was a very, very good start. And right now, LinkedIn membership had grown to more than 81,000 with a staff of 14 employees. Launched 3 revenue models in 2005. And the 3 models are actually membership, subscriptions, advertising, sales, and talent solutions. Today, 500 employees working in it, valued by investors at $1 billion. So very interesting story. However, I think that LinkedIn has grown really, really quick. As you can see that, obviously, at the end of the first month, they had 4,500 members. And it was a need in the market that the professional network was not there and it was lacking. So people are actually looking out for jobs. They are looking for connections within the people they have worked with, the connections where they can actually get to know and find talent solutions and things like that. So LinkedIn, have a look at this infographic. I will be talking in the next video, the LinkedIn hack. See you soon. Bye for now.